So we are going to be studying the difference between who versus whom. A number of people still who are very good at English, they still make a mistake of who and whom. They do not know where to put who and they do not know where to put whom. What is important to understand is that who is your subject and whom is your object. Now let me tell you what is the position of a subject and what is the position of an object in your sentence. This is our subject. He is the subject. And him is your object. So, what do we understand by this? That our object always comes after the preposition or the verb. Preposition is not always important. What if we have an example? He sees him. Now we do not have a preposition here, but we have a verb. So this is our subject, this is our object, and sees will be our verb. So the object always comes after the verb or the preposition. So here's a little trick. Wherever you can write he or she, that is the place where your subject who comes. And wherever you write him or her, these are the objects, that is where your whom should come. Let's do an example. I should ask dash for help. Now what do you think should be the object or subject here? I should ask he for help, or I should ask him for help? So the correct one is I should ask him for help. So when there is him, it means it's an object. That means I should use whom over here. So the correct way of saying this would be I should ask whom for help and not I should ask who for help. Let's do another example to understand it better. Dash would like some fries. Who would like some fries or whom would like some fries? Let's see. He or him. Another important thing is that we are using this before the verb or the preposition. It should be a subject. But anyway, let's see. He would like some fries or him would like some fries? It's he would like some fries. Because it's he, this is going to be who. Who would like some fries? Another example to further understand is who or whom is at the door. He is at the door or him is at the door? He is at the door is correct because he is a subject and we said we can replace he with who. So the correct one is going to be who is at the door. In American English, who and whom are confused and they at times they replace their who with whom and they replace their whom with who. But in British English, it is precisely used as a subject and object. And we have to make sure, especially in the CSS exams in Pakistan, that you have to use whom in your objective place, in your object place, and you have to use your who in the place of your subject. This is one of the dialogues from the English movies from Netflix, and it says, but who else can I talk to about this? मैं इस बारे में और किससे बात कर सकती हूँ? This is absolutely incorrect in British English, because if you make it a sentence, it will be, I can talk about this to dash. I can talk about this to he, or I can talk about this to him. You tell me. It's him, right? So I can talk about this to him. Him is your object. So the correct way of writing this would be, but whom else can I talk to about it? But who else can I talk to about this is wrong. Though it sounds correct, this is very American and they do it, but we are going to write it like this. But whom else can I talk to about it? That is all for who and whom, and I hope that you're not going to make this mistake in future. That is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.